number of people who came in and insisted that this could not possibly in any way, shape, or form still be Oregon Trail wagon ruts was, and still is to me, shocking. But the number of people who came in and informed me that the Oregon Trail is not still visible anywhere, that there are not still Oregon Trail ruts to be seen, that I must be incorrect because those wagon wheels are not that wide, or how many thousands of people insisted that this had to be some kind of truck runoff ramp, which was honestly scary because we were off I-84, which is a major highway here in Oregon, and there are so many truckers on that highway, and I had numerous people who say they're from the area or drive that route all the time, and it's a runaway truck ramp, and they're truckers. And that's scary to me because honestly, if you can look at that and think it's a runaway truck ramp, I'm concerned about you driving trucks. Because if you take even half a second to look at the Oregon Trail video we posted, it's not, there's no way it could be even an abandoned truck ramp. Like, those things are straight as an arrow typically. I mean, they come off the side of the road straight as an arrow because you're trying to slow down a speeding semi. And they're typically full of gravel or sand or something that's going to slow the truck down rapidly. And they go almost straight up. Like, you would not want to attempt this on any accidental way.